Good day, everyone. For this topic, we are going to talk about maxima and minima. Maxima. The maxima of a function f of x are all the points on the graph of the function which are local maximums. A point where x is equal to a is a local maximum. If when we move a small amount to the left, points with x less than a, or right points with x greater than a, the value of f of x decreases. We can visualize this as our graph having the peak of a hill at x is equal to a. Minima. The minima of f of x are the points for which, when we move a small amount to the left or right, the value of f of x increases. We call these points local minimums, and we can visualize them as the bottom of a truth in our graph. One similarity between the maxima and minima of our function is that the gradient of our graph is always equal to 0 at all of these points, at the very top of the peaks and the very bottom of the truths. The slope of our graph is completely flat. This means our derivative f of x is equal to 0 at these points. Example, find the maxima and minima of f of x is equal to x3 plus x2. First, we find f of x using the rules of differentiation. We find f of x is equal to 3x2 plus 2x. Now, let's see f of x is equal to 0. 3x2 plus 2x is equal to 0. X, the quantity of 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. So, that is the factorizing. So, x is equal to 0 or x is equal to negative 2 slash 3. Substitute these values back and so that we can find our y coordinates. So, f is equal to 0 is equal to the quantity of 0, 3 plus 0, 2 is equal to 0. F, the quantity of negative 2 and 3 is equal to the quantity of negative 2 and 3. 3 plus the quantity of negative 2 slash 3, and 2 is equal to 4 slash 27. Hence, our stationary points are 0 and 0, and the quantity of negative 2, 3, 4 slash 27. Finally, we use our test. F of x is equal to 6x plus 2. So, F, the quantity of 0 is 2. So, by substituting x is equal to 0. So, F is the quantity of negative 2 slash 3 is equal to negative 2. Substituting x is equal to negative 2 slash 3. So, 2 is greater than 0. So, 0 and 0 is a local minimum of f of x. 2 is less than 0. So, negative 2 slash 3 and 4 slash 27 is a local maximum of f of x. So, that's all. Thank you for watching and thank you for listening. God bless.